back to my channel. I am going to be doing a facial at home on myself. It's a glow facial. It's my weekly thing I do to help treat myself. You know, we're all under a lot of stress right now. Why not treat yourself? So if you guys want to see me achieve this facial, how I get my glow on, my skin popping, continue watching. First, I'm going to start off with my pre-cleanse balm. I'm just going to squeeze a little bit out, about that much, and then I'm just going to rub it in my hands to emulsify it, just to, you know, get it a little bit more liquidy to warm it up, heat it up, and then I'm going to apply it to my face. And what this does is it breaks down all of the dirt and like makeup or whatever you have in your skin, just to prep so you can actually cleanse in the second step. Okay, so now what you're going to want to do once it's all oily and looks like this is you're going to want to take some water just to get it milky, to get deeper into your pores. So you know you've used enough water once your skin turns milky white like that. And the pre-cleanse balm comes with this little thingy here to help you get deeper in there, so I'm just going to use that. So now what I like to do to remove any product off my face is I just use a sponge. It comes dehydrated and it's like really paper thin. You just wet it in some water and it puffs up like this. So I just use it to wipe off anything off my face. And because this is oil, I'm going to go over my face a few times, rinsing the sponge off in between, just to make sure that my face is now oily and I got rid of all of the pre-cleanse. And one thing you want to make sure you're doing is that you're pulling up, because gravity naturally wants to bring the skin down, but you want to push it up to pretty much defy gravity. Okay, next I'm going to go in with the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Scrub Cleanser just to cleanse my face. Now this face wash has a bit of little scrubbing beads inside of it, so if you are planning on doing an exfoliant and your skin is a little bit more sensitive, I wouldn't recommend using a cleanser that already has the exfoliating scrubs in it. But I mean, I'm gonna do that because I can handle it. But if you can't handle it, or it's you're a little nervous to do it, don't do it. Okay, so now I'm going to go into my exfoliant. I'm going to be using the Dermalogica Multivitamin Thermofoliant. And this is a heating exfoliant, so you're just going to take some, and it comes out looking like some Vaseline. You can totally apply this to your face first and then work it in and then add the water to activate the heat, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to add a little bit of water to get the heat going before I apply it to my face. And if at any point you feel like you're not feeling the heating sensation as much anymore, or it's completely gone, you can always go in and add some more water to reactivate it. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Dermalogica Multivitamin Power Recovery Mask. So I mean, you could totally put this in a bowl with your little face applicator and apply it to your face. I don't know where any of that stuff is, so I'm just going to apply it straight with my hands and just get it on there. Your hands are always your best tools no matter what. Now when you apply this, you don't want to rub it in. You just want to kind of lay it on there. Okay, so while I have the mask on, I'm just going to take my rose quartz rollers and roll those all over my face just to get, you know, help the mask penetrate and get the blood circulating and all that. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with our toner. For toner, I'm using the Dermalogica Antioxidant Hydra Mist. I'm just gonna spray that all over my face. And I love this stuff, so I use way too much of it. So now that I have sprayed my toner, I'm gonna go in with my serum, which is the Dermalogica Biolumin C Serum. Now, just drop this all over my face. You only use a little bit because if you use too much, you're going to be oily in a sense. So I just want to go ahead and use just a smidgen of that. The Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream, and just place that underneath and all over my eye. Next, I'm going to go in with the Origin Super Spot Remover. And this is just an acne treatment. So because I mostly break out here on my chin, that is where I'm going to be applying it to. It's down in this area, and then a little bit by my nose because I tend to break out there as well. Last but not least, we're going to go in with the Origins Ginseng Oil-Free Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. And I'm just going to put that all over my face and my neck, everywhere that we cleansed and touched today, just to finish this off. Okay, and that brings us to the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.